Hello there, welcome to our channel Lognates again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to install apps and games from the Google Play Store on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to install games and apps from the Play Store on your computer, first you will be required to download the emulator app. For this video I'll be using the Bluestack. Now to download the Bluestack on your computer, go to first open up your preferred browser and search on the click bar and type in bluestacks.com like this and hit enter, and you'll be taken to the home page of Bluestack, where you can see the download Bluestacks 10 or the download Bluestacks 5. Download your Bluestack according to your computer. If your computer is fast and high resoluted, then you can click on the Bluestack 10, or if your computer is a little bit slow with a medium grade integration, then click on download Bluestack 5. For this purpose I'll be downloading the Bluestack 10. Let's click over there and you can see the download process has been started. Now just open it and it will be directly installed on your computer. And after finish installing your Bluestack app, open it. I have already opened and downloaded it and opened the Bluestack apps. You can see this is the Bluestack emulator on my computer. And after opening your Bluestack emulator, you can see either you can download it from Google Play Store over here, and there are a lot of games provided by the Bluestack itself, by the Bluestack app player itself. And now to download apps and games from the Google Play Store itself, first you'll be required to sign into your account. On the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a sign in option available over here. Click on sign in and you can see you can sign into your Bluestack account with your Discord or with your Facebook or your Google account. I'll be continuing with the Google. Let's click on Google, and this will take a bit of time. And after the login page of Google opens on your Bluestack, click on your account, or if you want to use another account you can also click on use another account, and you will be able to log into the Bluestack emulator with your Gmail. Let's go. I'll be using the same ID over here, and after that let's enter the password. Enter your password as well and click on next. And after that you will be signed into the Bluestack with your Google or your Discord or your Facebook account, whichever you chose, and let's continue. And after that you can see here is the Google, and when I click on other apps it will open other apps. And let's cross this. Let's go back to home, but let's go back. But when I click on Google Play Store, it will open. You can see the open Google Play available over here, which is the button in blue after we select the Google Play. So let's open the Google Play. And you can see the Google Play Store is loading. Let's maximize it. And let's click on sign in again. And now after the sign in page appears, let's sign into our Google Play Store on the Bluestack emulator app itself. Let's go. Let's sign in again and enter your password over here and click on next again, and let's click on I agree. And let's scroll down and let's accept. And after signing into the Google Play Store on our Bluestack app, let's go back. Let's go to the home, and you can see the Play Store over here. Click on Play Store and let's let it open. And there guys, our Google Play Store has been successfully loaded over here. Now search for the apps and games you want to install to your computer on your Bluestack emulator. For me, you can see the Trust Wallet over here, and you can update your Trust Wallet from over here. Let's open it again. If you want to install the TikTok, or you can see the TikTok available over here, the Netflix, Facebook, and let's go for the Subway Surfer. And you can see there is the Subway Surfer option available. If you click on install, this game from the Google Play Store will be installed on your Bluestack emulator on your computer. And there guys, this is how you install apps and games from the Google Play Store on your computer with the BlueStack emulator. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.